Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to flash USDT on crypto. First of all, let's log in our iPhone. You can use iPhone or Android. So go to your crypto on-chain app, input your passcode. As you can see, this is our wallet. One have over $1 million. So for this video tutorial, we'll be creating a new wallet. So I will show you how it goes. So let's create a new wallet now. Add new wallet, create a new account, accept, continue. So let's rename this wallet to Rich Boy Tech. So this is the wallet we'll be flashing right now. Click on continue, select avatar, continue. So as you can see, we have $0 on this new crypto. So all we need to do is flash this particular crypto wallet. So the next step is to go to settings. Go to settings and locate network. Click on add custom network. Enter the name USDT. I will give you a CPRO link you put. Once you put the CPRO link, go to back to the wallet. Click on receive. And go to this particular website. Input the wallet address. Input the coin USDT. And input the amount. So let's put a random amount. Let's put 90 million. Let's count the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 90 million. Top up account. You can see account successfully funded. So the next step is to go back to our crypto app. Go back and refresh. Let's refresh our crypto app. Let's refresh. Voila. As you can see, we now have $90 million worth of USDT on our crypto. So if you need a full tutorial, I'll be giving you a masterclass on how to flash it. So do it to join our Telegram channel and like. Bye.